India, a land of opportunities, gearing towards becoming a world-class economy. The need for mechanization now urgently required more than ever. Speed, quality, safety being the need of the hour comes together at one place. Universal. Located in Pune, a leading industrial town, Universal has 3 manufacturing units and makes more than 50 different types of equipments catering to a domestic and export market. The ISO 9001-2000 company specializes in making concrete batching plants, reversible drum mixer, mini dumper, passenger cum material handling lift, works platform, bar bending machine, bar cutting machine, etc. In 1975, Dada Saheb More laid the foundation of Universal, and it has been growing under the dynamic leadership of Ranjit More and Abhijit More, supported by a qualified and dedicated team. 3 decades later, Universal is a name synonymous with the construction industry in India, with its equipments used in infrastructure projects like national highways, power projects, airports, irrigation projects, real estate, etc. Universal machines are produced using jigs and fixtures to achieve world-class quality and international standards. The ultra-modern assembly shop boasts of world-class machinery aligned on processes and systems designed for export-oriented product manufacturing. We at Universal keep innovating our machines through research and development to meet the needs of our customers and to upgrade our models as per the industry requirements.
We consider R&D is the backbone of our industry. We design user-friendly machines appropriate for the sites and which are affordable to our contractors.
With all departments supported by highly qualified and experienced engineers, Universal has 9 zonal offices and more than 75 sales and service associates across India. Universal is defying horizons with an office in Dubai and Germany and strong exports to the Americas, the Middle East, South Africa, Europe and the Asia-Pacific region.
Our mission is to provide innovative world-class construction equipment backed by technically competent after-sales service with the prime motive of satisfying each and every customers of ours beyond the expected level of business excellence.
After sales is a priority with Universal. We offer on-site service and spare parts to our customers. Universal also offers training to the operators for the benefit of its customers. Technical seminars for awareness of the role of mechanization are also conducted in colleges and institutes all over India. It is no wonder then that the annual growth of Universal is climbing at 150%, and our esteemed clients are more than happy to be a part of our family. At Universal, we serve our customers with the very best. It is your imagination fired with our technology. Universal, making homes, shaping our lives, strengthening the economy, building up the country.